Maintaining the material on your camplet is crucial to making it last many, many years. We have the two styles of material, so you have the coated polyester and the acrylic. And initially, what we usually say is to use warm water and maybe a soft brush just to keep on top of the maintenance. However, if you do get some stubborn stains, then we do have three styles of cleaner. We have the all year round, and the all year round is designed for those stubborn stains that the warm water will not get off, which it can just be sprayed on. Then we also have the season cleaner, which, as it says, is designed to be used at the end of the season to give it a really good clean. Then finally we have the window cleaner to be used on, as we say, the windows, because the windows are quite delicate, so we want to ensure that there's no abrasive liquid on those, and you get the microfiber cloth to keep those nice and clean to make sure the whole material on the tent lasts you many, many years.